Good day everyone, this is Sam, one of the instructor of the Trading Drills Academy, and today I'm going to explain another good trade of our successful student YG. And this time he took the trade on the US 100 Nasdaq, which these days not doing very well, and most of the time actually because of the events, because of the war, the Ukraine war is downward all the time these days. So let's back to the trade. As you see, there is a three different chart: the macro chart, the trading chart, and the entry charts. And in the macro chart, as you see, there is a downtrend channels happening, and this white line showing the 2-hour time frames and the macro charts, and the black one is the 30-minute, as he mentioned that in here. So according that the macro and the trading charts are in the same direction, so the first algo and the second algo passed, and we actually are in the high probability area for a short, so there is a good opportunity for short. And as you see, he draw the downtrend channel, and with these candles here is showing there is a pullback happening, and when it goes to the overbought area, and that's actually the point that he need to be entered. So it's past the third algo, and as you see, let me just bring it a little bit closer here. Yeah, so he entered at this point in here, and for the stop loss he took it out of the channel, which is the area that we showing that we can do this with the if we show that on our lessons, and the take profit, the TP, which is put it in the middle of the channel. So as you see, he just entered the channel, the price goes up, look a bit close to the stop loss, and then I start going down and touch the TP. Well, the thing is, in this kind of chart, as you see that the market is downtrend and this is a good trend is happening, we can also enter with a difference, with a multiple trade as well. Like instead of having the one TP, we can enter with two trades and put another TP as well. So anyway, I don't wanna this video take long, because we have a lot to record for you guys and show you how the algo system trading is working. So bye for now and take care.